afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I just dropped the kids in school today. And I'm going down again because I need to print my document for my verification contract. Very hot. The wind is so hot. When they are going to vacation, I need to verify my contract in Dubai. Consulate Dubai. See, it's good. They have studio here down the building, and I don't need to go to far place. They can scan and print my document. Welcome to my vlog. Happy Thursday. It's almost weekend again. See, this is our building. The other building, the Alpha Commodores, that's the building of the school of there.